Hey y'all, welcome to part 1 of our video series on the ebook tutorials. For this video, we're taking a look at eBook Central. You can get to eBook Central by going to the Foley database down here, going to the left drop-down button over here, and clicking on eBooks. You'll just scroll down a bit and they'll be here. Go ahead and click on it. And here we are on the main page for eBook Central. As you can see, it's powered by ProQuest, so if you've used ProQuest in the past, it will look a lot like the ProQuest search engine. Through eBook Central, then, you can conveniently search for ebooks by subject, advanced search, or just their search bar up here. For the purposes of this video, we're just going to quickly look at this book down here as an example. As you can see, you can read the entire book online, download the book as a PDF, or download individual PDF chapters. Just make sure to keep an eye out for the little restrictions that they have, like being able to download only up to 82 pages, or being able to keep the book for 7 days. These are just based on publishing rights. Also, with eBook Central, if you download a book, you're going to download Adobe Digital Editions, which is just free software from Adobe, and it's really easy to get set up. You may also note that, like printed books, institutions like Gonzaga only have limited copies to ebooks, so you have to order them just like a real printed book. You also have a variety of other helpful functions on eBook Central, such as a built-in citation maker for the book, which, as you can see, can be cited using popular citation styles such as MLA or APA. You can also save them to bookshelves as a way to save them in a collection so that you can return to them later. In case your friends need a copy of this book, you might want to share a link to them. You also can scroll down here and look at individual chapters online or downloading them individually as PDF, as mentioned earlier. But this is just a nice way of looking through the entire book without having to go through a lot of links or anything. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Please contact us at the Foley Library through our social media or on the Contact Us section on our website. Make sure to check out part 2 if you haven't already, to take a look at an overview of the ebook collections from EBSCO. Okay, thanks for watching. See y'all next time, Zags.